going to do a visual condition report looking for any scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, anything like that. With just over 500 miles, this thing is really, really clean, but I will notate any flaws that I find. That wheel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any imperfections. The carbon ceramics. Now this paint, you have to see this thing outside. It has hues of purple and greens and blues. Right now it just kind of looks black. But I can see some of that green flake, so I'll try to film this outside after the video too to really get a good color. But that fender looks really good. I don't see any flaws. The mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. You can already see a little hue of purple here and then green down here. You got PPF on that lower rocker. I'm not seeing really any flaws. And then here around the gas cap, looks like when they were filling it up, it kind of scuffed it just a little bit. And I see a really faint scratch right there. It does not catch my nail. The rest of that looks good. That wheel looks absolutely perfect. Okay, now that we have it outside, try to do the best we can at getting those reflections to show all of those colors. You can see the greens and the purples. Then looking at the front end here, now you're gonna have a couple bird poop or bug etching stains in the paint. I see a little one right here, and I see one right there on the hood. And a couple little spots there. And then looking on the front bumper up close, you're gonna see a couple imperfections there. One right there. And really these look like just little bug spots. They kind of etched into the paint. And I'm not sure if that's something that can be like paint corrected and removed. Little one right there. Typical little rock impacts. I'm not seeing any chips that really stand out yet. That splitter looks good. Couple rock impacts. So overall, that front end looks good. Then looking at the left side here, that fender looks good. That wheel looks perfect. A-pillar looks good. Here on the side mirror, looks like a little spot a bug etching right there. Besides that, it looks good. I don't see any chips. See a couple fingernail scratches right there. Couple tiny little scuffs here. That wheel looks perfect. And then up here we have a couple little imperfections. I think it's something on the surface, could be some more bug etching. This is a perfect panel to see that purple and green hue. Looks really good. And then looking at the back here, I see a couple water spots, little water stains. Other than that though, this back end looks perfect. And the only other thing I see is, looks like some hard water spots right here. And looking at the engine, all of this looks nice and clean. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and of course it still smells brand new with just over 500 miles. This door panel is absolutely perfect. This trim looks amazing. I don't see any scuffs or wear on the seats. Bolsters look good. There's really no flaws on this interior that stand out to me. All of this is perfect. This dark green looks amazing. Center console looks perfect. There's really nothing to pick apart on the interior. Then looking at this door panel, I don't see any flaws. Got a tiny scuff on the plastic here. Carpets look amazing. These seats look perfect. I don't see any imperfections. It all looks and smells brand new in here. Full Alcantara dash. Looks absolutely perfect. And it's hard to see back here, but all of this is absolutely perfect.